Hey guys, I am just about to do a little grooming tool upkeep and maintenance. These tools, if you buy a high quality tool, it will last you years. If you take care of it, it will last you years times 2. I've had this wall hair trimmer for about 8 years and it cuts as good as the day I got it. My Norelco facial hair grooming tool is a new model. I got it about 2 years ago, but it still works amazingly well. And the deal is, you gotta take care of it, all right? A lot of guys just use it and that's it. I take a little more time, a little more pride. If you treat them right, they will treat you right. Well, here's how I go about taking care of them. And for this little project, I have a ghetto screwdriver with an attachment. This thing's like, anyway. I've got a little tiny brush. I've got some oil. Baby oil will work just fine if you don't have this specialty oil. And my 2 trimmers. So here's the deal. This trimmer, everybody knows that it's got a little compartment that the hair basically fills up in, and then when you dump it, the hair comes out, right? Well, check this out. It also has a compartment and a chamber up here underneath the blade, and as you can see, it gets nasty, full of hair. Well, what I do is I take my little brush out in there. I also clean the mechanism underneath there where there's hair that has collected. Make sure that everything keeps nice and neat. Then what I'll do is actually take a small drop of the oil. You can, like I said, use baby oil and place it on the underside of the blades. Just a little bit'll do. And reassemble. Nice and easy. And test out. Woo! Like a dream. That's it. It's done. Little oil, gentlemen, goes a long way. For the hair clippers, same thing. You want to remove the top to get all the hair outside of this. So with the screwdriver, basically all you do, usually it's just 1 or 2 bolts, and it pops off right like that. And you take your little brush and brush. Most of the time there's going to be a little piece of foam or rubber inside there to help prevent the hair from getting down into the gears and touching the all the working parts, but you want to just make sure that that's as cleaned out as possible. All right, you're going to flip over the blade, get the hair off of there. I would also use a rag, get it nice and clean. Polish that baby up and do both sides. All right, when you're done, you're just going to reassemble, okay? Just like it went on, that goes underneath. This goes over top. And put the bolt back on. When the bolt's in, then you just give it a shot of oil, just like you did on the other, on the underside. Right there, not too much. Then with this, move that a bit, okay? It's also a good idea to turn it on and give it a little juice. And good as new, baby. Gentlemen, your tools, your grooming tools, hair clippers, facial hair grooming tools, they will take care of you for a very long time, but you gotta give them a little care. You saw how long this took me, not long at all. I'll do this once every 6 months, once every year, just to make sure they're in tip-top working condition so that I'm always looking well groomed and smooth.